Today I want to share with you how you can use the desktop version of Picfont on your iPad so you can create curved text. So if we go to picfont.com directly on the main page, it's going to bring up the mobile web app. And if you try to go to the desktop, it opens for a second, but it kicks you back to the mobile version. So here's how you can get around that. I'm going to go back to Google here, and instead of tapping on the main picfont.com link, I'm going to choose the editor. Now when I do it the first time, it won't work because I've already visited that main page. It already put me into the mobile web app. So we're not going to be good to go yet. However, if you clear your browsing history and then you choose the editor, or even just type in picfont.com/editor, then you will have the option to get to the desktop version. So we'll go ahead and tap on get started, then new blank image, and now I have the desktop. And it works pretty good. There are a couple of things I want to share with you. All right, so here's some text. Let's go ahead and change the font to something different. I don't even know what these fonts are, but I'll just change it to something different. And we'll change the color. We'll give it a little curve. We'll make it strong. And there you have it. Now you can see, because I haven't touched that font yet, that selected font, there's a little X to the right. That text is still selected, and if I long hold, I get the copy option. So I'll go ahead and copy, and then I'll paste it in another app, wherever you want to put it. And there it is. And I'm going to go back, and I'll show you what happens once you do move it around. So I move it around a little bit, and it's not selected anymore. And I really can't get it selected again, or at least I don't know how, by tapping on it. And if you long hold, you can't copy it. However, if you go to the lower left and you tap on the layering double squares one time, it reselects it. And then you can long hold and get your copy again. I lost it, but we'll do that one more time. And I actually did want to show you this. If you do tap it too many times, it puts extra gibberish in there. So you would have to delete that or start from scratch. So I tapped it too many times, and then it kind of got a little funky. So get rid of that, and then there we have it. All right, so if you do tap those layering blocks too many times, it puts a little bit of extra gibberish in there. So try to do it just one time only, and then you don't have to worry about getting rid of the gibberish. All the other features work about the same. Some of the text curves better than other text. So when I curve some of those pre-done formats, they look a little weird. So you just need to go through and decide which ones look best. And then that awesome that I just was using is deselected, so I have to tap on the layering just one time, and then I can long hold and copy it and bring it over into another program. All right, so the last thing that I want to show you is that you can still use other features too. Maybe you want to bring in an image, and that works. And if you were doing that, you could hit save it as whatever you want, then view it, and then take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, crop it, and put it where you want to put it. Now, the only thing that I can't figure out is how to get rid of that image. So if you want to start from scratch, then clear your browsing history again, and then just refresh, go back in, and it'll let you start from scratch. Okay, so I hope that helps and gives your students who are one-to-one iPad the option to use the full features for Picfont. And that's all.